Hi everyone, welcome to this video. This is the fourth video of machine learning series. Remember that in the previous video, we talked about types of machine learning. We only explained the first category, which was supervised and unsupervised learning. In this video, we are going to talk about the second category. Learning style, or whether the system can learn continuously or only all at once. Let's get back to spam filter example. Imagine you have a spam filter that you want to train to recognize spam emails. You collect all your emails, both spam and regular ones, and then you train your spam filter using this whole dataset. This is called batch learning. This process can take a long time and use a lot of computing power. So, you usually do it offline, meaning the spam filter doesn't learn new things while it's running. If new types of spam emails start appearing, you have to collect all the old and new emails again, train a new version of the spam filter, and then replace the old one. Now, let's say you want to predict stock prices, which change all the time. You train the system little by little, using new data as it comes in. This is called online learning. The system learns from new stock price data as it arrives. Each learning step is quick and doesn't need much computing power, so it can keep up with the fast changes in stock prices. The system can immediately adapt to new trends in the stock market without having to retrain on all the old data. Now, what are the differences between batch and online learning? Batch learning is slow to update and needs a lot of computing resources. It is good for tasks where the data doesn't change rapidly. Online learning is quick to adapt and can handle new data as it comes in. Great for tasks with constantly changing data, like stock prices. Imagine you have a robot on Mars that needs to learn to navigate its environment. You can't send new training data from Earth quickly because it takes time, and the robot has limited computing resources. With batch learning, the robot would need to gather all data, send it back to Earth, get trained, and then receive the updated program. This is slow and impractical. With online learning, the robot learns from each new experience as it explores Mars. It can adapt immediately to new obstacles or terrain, making it much more efficient and autonomous. It is important to consider that learning quickly is not always a good thing. In online learning, the system learns new things quickly but might forget old information just as fast. For example, a spam filter might only recognize the latest spam emails and forget the older ones. But when a system has a low learning rate, it learns more slowly and retains old information longer. If the system learns from incorrect or misleading data, its performance can drop. For instance, if a robot receives faulty sensor data, it might start making poor decisions. It's essential to keep an eye on the system's performance. If something goes wrong, you can stop the learning process, fix the issue, and even revert to a previous good state. So to sum up, batch learning is like studying for a big test all at once. It's effective but slow to update and requires a lot of resources. Ideal for tasks where data doesn't change frequently. Online learning is like learning to ride a bike by making small adjustments each time you practice. It's quick to adapt, efficient with resources, and perfect for constantly changing data, like stock prices or a robot exploring Mars. I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching.